How to change dataframe column names in PySpark? I come from Pandas background and am used to reading data from CSV files into a dataframe and then simply changing the column names to something useful using the simple command. However, the same doesn't work in PySpark dataframes created using SQL context. The only solution I could figure out to do this easily is the following. This is basically defining the variable twice and inferring the schema first, then renaming the column names and then loading the dataframe again with the updated schema. Is there a better and more efficient way to do this like we do in Pandas? My Spark version is 1.5.0.
There are many ways to do that. Option 1. Using SelectExpr. Option 2. Using with column renamed. Notice that this method allows you to overwrite the same column. For Python 3, replace range with range. Option 3. Using alias. In Scala you can also use as. Option 4. Using SQLcontext.sql, which lets you use SQL queries on dataframes registered as tables.
Advantage of using this way. With long lists of columns you would like to change only few column names. This can be very convenient in these scenarios. Very useful when joining tables with duplicate column names.
If you want to change all columns names, try df.topcalls.
In case you would like to apply a simple transformation on all column names, this code does the trick. I am replacing all spaces with underscore. Thanks to @user 8117731 for taught trick.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.